How to enable link preview in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp, so head over to any chat, and if you type in your URL, there should be a link preview. If you don't see it, if you don't see a link preview in your WhatsApp, you can head back and then head over to your settings on the bottom left. After you're on your settings on the bottom left, scroll down. There you'll find a privacy option. Tap on privacy, and after you tap on privacy, scroll down a bit. After you scroll down, there you will see an advanced option. Tap on advanced. There you will see an option to disable link previews. So make sure that you've turned this off. After you've turned off disable link previews, you can then head back and go to your chat settings. Go to your chats after your settings and go to the text again. And after that, if you type in a URL, there you'll be able to see your link preview, and that's how you do it. And yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. That is how you can enable link preview in WhatsApp. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.